French tweets, making young learners from all over the world proficient in the French language through live online classes, conducted by native Francophone experts. French classes for every age, whether it is a 4 to 6-year-old or an 8 to 14-year-old budding Francophonie, or even a well-versed TEF, DLF aspirant. French Tweets provides the ambitious learners with sufficient e-material for their French learning, such as recordings of all the lectures, presentations, assignments to complete along with fun activities and tasks to conduct within the class. We make your French e-learning experience an enriching one with our 24/7 student support services. Become proficient in the language of your choice within the comfort of your home. Along with French, you can learn Spanish with us as well. Language classes guided by native experts for all ages and levels are now available. Enroll now to gain fruitful experience in learning with us.
J'aime le chat. Very good. Très bien. J'aime le chat. I like rabbit.
J'aime le lapin.
Très bien. I like horse.
J'aime le cheval.
Very good. My dog is white.
Mon chien est blanc.
Blanc. We don't pronounce the C. We say only blanc. My cat is black.
Mon chat est noir.
Très bien. Very good. How do we say fish?
Poisson.
Good. I am in Jaden's class. Je suis dans la classe de Jaden. I am in Jaden's class. It is je suis dans la classe de Jaden.